Stay tuned to see how I achieve this beautiful bouncy wash and go. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a product review and a tutorial with some new products from Mielle Organics. This is the new, and I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly, Mango and Tulsi Botanical Blend line. I picked up 2 products from Ulta. So we have the Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner and then the Nourishing Styling Gel. I'm gonna give these both a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. So my favorite line from Mielle Organics is definitely the pomegranate and honey line, and this is giving that line a run for its money. So let's get into these products. So this is the Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner. It is for hair and scalp care. It is infused with mango butter and Tulsi leaves. It restores and protects. It's for wavy, coily, curly hair types. First of all, let's get into the packaging, which I absolutely love. And let's get into the texture of this leave-in conditioner. So this is what the leave-in conditioner looks like. Very thick and creamy, very moisturizing. I could actually see myself styling with this leave-in conditioner. It has a ton of slip. It gave great definition just with the leave-in conditioner. So this, definitely a must try. And a little goes a long way. And the smell, hold on. It just smells like a tropical paradise. I mean, I don't know how else to explain it. Smells amazing. And then next up, we have the Nourishing Styling Gel, which is also says hair and scalp care. This one is also infused with mango butter and Tulsi leaves. It gives hold and definition. It's for wavy, coily, curly hair types. And just like the leave-in conditioner, the gel also smells like a tropical paradise. So this is what the gel looks like. The gel is also very moisturizing and it does give a nice hold, but I would say it's a medium hold. There was no crunch once my hair dried. I did go in with some of the mint almond oil from Mielle Organics, and I just used the prayer hands method with the oil, and there was like no cast to break, but I just did that to fluff out my hair. But as you can see, it gave great definition, great volume. I did not stretch my hair at all. This is just with me doing the prayer hands method and going in with my pick a little bit, but that was it. So let me show you exactly how we got these results. Keep on watching. here are the final results. Absolutely loving this wash and go. Day one hair, volume, definition, moisture. Give you a little close up. Love, love, loving the results of this wash and go. Give it a quick 360. Mielle did not miss with this line. Again, from the new line, I used the Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner and the Nourishing Styling Gel. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the results of this wash and go. If you've tried this line, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. As always, thank you so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.